In this video, I'll guide you through how to build feedback as a new eBay seller. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your online selling strategy, establishing a solid reputation on eBay is crucial. A strong feedback score not only builds trust with potential buyers, but also helps in promoting your listings effectively. Let's dive into the steps that will help you create a positive feedback profile. First, head over to ebay.com. This is the starting point for your eBay selling journey. Make sure you're logged into your account, or create one if you haven't already. Having an active eBay account is essential for both buying and selling, and it'll be the foundation for building your feedback. Next, we'll focus on building what's known as seed feedback by becoming a buyer first. Before you start selling, it's beneficial to make a few purchases of your own. This not only familiarizes you with the buying process, but also allows you to accumulate some feedback as a buyer, which can be a great starting point. Look for inexpensive items that you genuinely need or want, as this will keep your buying experience authentic and enjoyable. After your purchase, take the time to leave feedback for the seller, which will encourage them to reciprocate. This method helps you establish initial feedback, showing potential buyers that you are an active and reliable eBay community member. Now that you've built some initial feedback, it's time to start selling. Begin by selling small, low-risk items. These should be inexpensive items, ranging from $5 to $10. Think about household items, books, or collectibles that you no longer need but might be valuable to someone else. The idea here is to complete 10 to 15 sales of these low-cost items. This approach reduces the risk involved and helps you gain experience in the selling process. More importantly, it provides you with the opportunity to accumulate positive feedback from satisfied buyers. Providing exceptional customer service is key to building a solid reputation. Make sure your item listings are accurate and detailed. This includes clear photos and thorough descriptions. Once an item sells, focus on fast shipping. Buyers appreciate quick deliveries and are more likely to leave positive feedback if their items arrive promptly. Consistency in both your listing details and shipping speed will set you apart from other sellers. Proactive communication with your buyers is another crucial aspect. Keep your buyers informed throughout the transaction process. This means sending messages to confirm their purchase, update them on shipping status, and thank them for their purchase. Good communication can alleviate any concerns they might have and demonstrates your commitment to a positive buying experience. As a seller, don't forget to leave feedback for your buyers. This is often overlooked, but it's an important step. By leaving positive feedback for your buyers, you encourage them to do the same for you. It shows appreciation for their purchase and builds a sense of community and trust. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a robust feedback profile as a new eBay seller. Remember that patience and consistency are key. Over time, your efforts will pay off, and you'll find that a strong feedback score can significantly enhance your selling experience. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.